Hello there, this is Mrs. Peterson, and I'd like to welcome you to our Independent Study Spanish 1 Semester 1 course. I will be your instructor for the course. I just wanted to go over some basic things for the haiku site that you'll be using as the basis for moving through the class. The first thing is this is your homepage on your haiku site, and so starting off with my teacher contact information, this is my email address, the school email that you should use each time to contact me. This is a direct link, or you could also send an email through the message system of Haiku that I'll go over in a little bit. My extension is 5016, and I am located in room 16 on campus. Independent study office hours are listed here. I'm available for you to come into my room at any time during these hours here, and we can work on whatever need be. I can open a test for you, and it doesn't need to be scheduled because this is the time that I'm available to you for sure. Course policies, I'd recommend that you take some time to look through the course policies here. Many of these policies are ones that we've had in place for the past few years in the Independent Study program, but some of them also could be new and specific to this course, so please take a look there, and if there are any questions, let me know. Grading scale, I will be using ARIES as our main system for documenting overall grades in the course. So the breakdown here you can see is some of APEX and some things that you will do on your own and submit in other ways. The APEX quizzes will calculate 20% of your overall grade. Your CSTs on the APEX system will be 30%. Written assignments, 20%. Projects 20%, and then the final exam at the end of the semester will count for 10% of the grade. I've also included some student links here just for easy access, a link to Apex Learning, a link to your ARIES portal to check grades, and then a link to Office 365 for documents and presentations and project storage, as well as your student email account for communicating. Okay, from there, what I would like to do is just run you through a basic usage of this site. So up here, this, again, your course info page is just your standard home page. And then notice that from there, you have all of the units of the course. And the breakdown is that within each unit, there are 4 lessons, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there are a total of 3 units in the entire course. And so that's how you're going to navigate through. So let's take a look at the first lesson, Unit 1, Lesson 1. And this is what each lesson page is going to look like. The very first thing that you will see are your required assignments. And notice that for Unit 1, Lesson 1, the assignments are to complete APEX quizzes 1.1.4 and 1.1.9. And then you have your written assignment 1.1. The written assignments will be described down in this block. Right now, there's currently nothing in there, but once the course is started, there will be a description of what it is that you will need to complete. And then over here, I've posted a block of helpful notes and resources that can further explain the concepts that are being presented in the APEX curriculum. Okay, so that is what the basic page of a lesson portion will look like. Again, as I